Add whipped cream in a beating bowl and beat for 5 minutes. Then add condensed milk and beat it for 5 minutes. Now add strawberry puree and beat it well. You can add any kind of fruit puree or any flavor ice cream. You will see the mixture become thicker and creamy. Cover it and keep it in refrigerator for 1 hour. First, grab some Oreos and pull them apart and scrape off the filling. But you can leave it if you want. Place each cookie face up on a tray. You can use any kind of cookies instead of Oreo. Take a piping bag and fill it with softened ice cream. You will add some softened ice cream but not melt it to the cookies. Put some ice cream on half of the cookies. Top each ice cream with the other side of the cookies. Push down slightly to secure and to make sure the ice cream gets all the way to the edges. Now, roll the ice cream edges in sprinkles. Keep these sandwiches in the freezer for 4 to 5 hours so they harden just a bit more before eating them. Mini sandwiches are ready.